Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to compare two popular air fryer products and help you decide which one is the right one for you. As always, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Both the Gotham steel air fryer tray and the air fryer use rapid air circulation technology to fry food without excess fat, making for a healthier cooking experience. However, the T-Cerama non-stick coating on the Gotham steel tray makes for hassle-free cleanup and is free of PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium for a truly safe and healthy experience, making it the winner in this category. The air fryer boasts a simple one-button start and easy-to-use temperature control dial ranging between 80 to 200 degrees, making it perfect for quick, hassle-free cooking. On the other hand, the Gotham steel air fryer tray requires the use of an oven and may take a bit longer, making the air fryer the winner in this category. With its adjustable temperature control ranging between 80 to 200 degrees, the air fryer allows for easy cooking of a variety of meals including vegetables, chips, chicken, and cakes. While the Gotham steel tray may not have precise temperature control, its raised basket allows for convection heat to reach every angle of the food, giving it the perfect crisp every time, making it the winner in this category. The air fryer is definitely the more budget-friendly option, coming in at just $3. While the Gotham steel air fryer tray is a bit pricier at $29, it does offer more features like its non-stick coating and raised basket, making it worth the investment for those looking for a more high-end air frying experience. This one is a tie, as they both have their own unique advantages. And there you have it. We hope this comparison between the Gotham steel air fryer tray and the air fryer helped you make a more informed decision on which one to purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.